This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye Channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 2, TS Galaxy 0. Brother, how's it?
I'm good, and you, my brother?
Good, man. What's your take on the game today?
Yeah, boss. Ndivuye kakhulu about the game, but egamini ke kuzohlala kukho into ezingekho right, but beni confused about formation yethu ngoba esiqala ngiyanoma bedlala 4-3-3 okanye la 4-2-3-1. Yeah, but happy about performance yamajita improvile kakhulu ukusirculate iball, ukudlala, ukusebenza off the ball, because in modern football it require abantu basebenze hard. That's why ama defenses ze-Pirates bese zanibetha kwenye platform ndisilwa noTito Nombuli. I don't like how a player walk ebaleni, even Ungcobo mayidlala noma Boa and qiniseki ncamo. You see even our defense iba under pressure. You see the last game umsima, so Ungcobo mayidlala lo Ndlovu bayasebenza because they are willing to work off the ball, ukusebenza. They are very humble. But the only problem with the Chiefs, they need to get a proper number 10. Umdu is not supposed to play as a 10. I believe Umdu is a winger, because even today bendimthanda kayithatha ibhola landa abantu taking players on. But yena akanayo lando ukuthi ibhola kayiKondlovu noma Boa mandize ngizosupport anzoyilanda. Yabo, if you can watch abo Marcelo Allende, abo Santos, Ozwane, they are not afraid about height, but Umdu is always running to the box join up. But we have also Ulilepo no Silva says players, but we need someone a number 10. But what I like about the new Kaizer Chiefs, siyayazi ukuthi need to add up here, because the frustration here Chiefs is that the past 2 seasons ukuthi akuthethwa nge-transfer window siyofuna wonke umuntu. But now we know ukuthi we need a destroyer, a number 6, we need a number 10. We need, we need also a strike, also one strike. And also another thing, in the end, South Africa is difficult to find a strike. Even as a strikers as a Conago Chiefs, they are not bad strikers, but the only thing maybe coaching or maybe environment. So you also need as a club, okay guys, it's difficult to find a striker. No matter outside, it's difficult. Players are expensive. Okay, let's hire a coach way forwards. I suppose kwenziwa Man United London. Why Chiefs ingayenzi? Oshon Paklet abana misebenzi. Hire Oshon Paklet assist with this set piece. But South Africa, this set piece is not longer a half chance now. Set piece yakwazi ikona kick ujonge ngapha. But when ibisi isikhathi set piece ku Stuart Baxter, Kominendop, you know set piece with Chiefs is set piece. So we need someone, if we don't have players as nayo low quality, we need someone that sihayarishe umuntu ozo assist forwards, because we have Ulilepo, Ikadaro, Silva, Umayo. They are not good strikers, but these strikers that if sinofumana umuntu osebenza nazo as build confidence, they can be better strikers. Also sifumane a proper number 10, because umzela umdu ayo player yokukhupha ngepass, but umdu uthanda urina behind the defense, uthanda ukulanda abantu. So mna I would like umdu adlale more of a side, more mhlambe a half winger, left winger, more of umbono police. Police is not a winger, half line, but it's not a number 10. So I would like umdu adlale more of a half winger, but uchizla yena maybe into esibekele next season, because this season usa adapt ankwazi uba umgcinezela kakhulu, but uchizla uyabonisa signs, but they need a more aggression, they need a more work, because I like players esebenza, because modern football it demand ama players esebenza. And also kasesivala kemna ke ndingumuntu othanda ukugada into positives kakhulu, not as negative. Lamajita siwa pointileyo, lamajita if asibeke ku top 3 mele conversation ichange, siyeke ukuthi sifuna opitso sifuna obheni siface reality, but guys, these guys are sebenzini. We need now sibone ukuthi sizothini. Okay, siyayisusa le coaching, sizisa umuntu that ozosebenza nabo. I would like ke mna ke sizise umuntu ofana no Steve Barker, someone that humble, because if uzawusisa ucoach kubantu sebekhona mele ibe ngumuntu willing usebenza nabantu, ongazofika athi nshaya umthetho wami. Then uSteve Barker simbonile kwi Pretoria University ama-Tuks, simbone ku Stellenbosch, he is willing to even naku Simba is number 2, so he's willing ukusebenza usebenza with young players, average players. So uSteve Barker azosebenza nalamajita, or you take Oy1 as mhlawumbe assistant yakhe, you take uCadrick Cards as a head of development, ayo complementa la nto yenziwa ngoVele Khumalo, Dylan Shepard, because lamajita even in development bayasebenza. So into yethu yozisa lo mjita uTerra Maliwa as a head of scouts isebenzile kakhulu, because iChiefs it's very difficult to get players. Yabo, so into yoba sibe nalo mjita at least siyakwazi ukuchola chola, and also na management ndiyabona uyi-challenge may improve relationship with teams. Umzelo, there are new teams, Amazulu, ETS Galaxy. That's why ETS Galaxy ne-award today ibethiwe, because chairman wayo ndiyamthanda, willing uba asebenzane nayo ngomuntu akanale laa nto athi andithengisele iplay ethile. And also in ETS Galaxy ii-players zase-South Africa it's only i-mentality yazo, I don't know nzathi wrong kayitheni, if they are doing well kwi-cup kuzoba kwi-problem kwi-league, yabo, of which we don't need that, because ETS Galaxy yenza kahle kwi-cup but iyadropha kwi-league. It's the same thing with Stellenbosch, ithe yoba nifika kwi-cup finals iyadropha. Now imind yabo kwi-league, of which bazolose i-top 8. The moment you lose i-top 8 you are inviting relegation. So next season, which means uqale league une-mindset yokuthi wena ngoku we are fighting for i-top 8, of which uzaba relegation. Kanti xa uqale i-season uzazi kwi-top 8 uthetha nge-top 4 you aim. So you need banazo aphakamise, because uTim Sukazi ndiyamthanda kakhulu, otherwise ndiyabulela futhi.
Unfortunately ETS Galaxies, they are banned for transfer. Yabona ke izoba problem, but as long ke they maintain a status, otherwise badrophile kakhulu. And also ukeeper wabo andikhoshonga, worried kula cup final yabo, ndisho ibhlungu ke ngayibhen, ibhlungu, but iTS Galaxy uchairman wayo ndimthanda kakhulu. I like uchairman that willing uthengisa players, because i-league now idlalwa ngepolitics, because iPetro City bantu bamnyama. Now it's very difficult, so sometimes masingabi too harsh kwi-Chiefs. I know i-management yabo ayenzi kahle, but there is a situation bebefuna uthenga uKhanyisa Mayo 20 million, i-Cape Town City yathi incinci mali bamthengise Algeria with same money, but waphinde wabuya. There is the same situation uVictor Litswalo. uVictor Litswalo said 15 million,
but baphela beyomthengisela. So kunezi politics, so nabo that's why in City nayo management the Chiefs need by improve relationships with the teams, improve i-loan system. Ndiyabona apha South Africa even now ngobe kwi-beef ye-Pirates and Sundowns kuthethwa about uThemba Zwane nto kwaThurele zangalonwe akafani no-person i-loan eSouth Africa mele siyazi is not a bad thing to loan a player. Umzekelo aboduba, if they are struggling mabaye kwi-loan noba kwi-NFT, but asithi terminate contracts asithi mabaphelelwe imisebenzi, but ukuloan player ziyokhula elsewhere, zifumane game time, zizokwazi ukukhula. So i-Chiefs need improve i-relationship with other teams, but so far iyazama, but it's a matter of ifumane ucoach that ozo complementa nalamajita sekhona okanye ozofika understand as player, because akuncedi basithi sawufuna uPitso noBini, but siyazazi kwimarket asizoya. We need sifumane umuntu that oza understand the situation,
whatever.
Steve Barker is similar to Jose Rivero, a humble coach willing ukusebenza with young players.
Thanks a lot, my brother.
Okay,